Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for November 17th, 2016. It's about 26 minutes after the close. We had an extra long session on the Simpler Stocks gold side where not only did we find some trades today and also build an entire watch list for tomorrow, but we also stayed on after the close to see some wild earnings like from Cisco, NTAP, and L Brands getting smashed. These are kind of things we do on the gold side. That's a special side, just so you know, that includes everything on the silver side and a lot more, and I'll go into that later in the video. So today what we got was the ES is down all to 675. Little hangover, believe it or not. This is the first day it's been down since the election of the Dow Jones Industrials. The first day, I didn't even realize that. You have the NASDAQ up 1875, trying to make up for some lost ground. You have the Russell doing much and nothing, up 40 cents. I mean, my goodness, has this had a massive move. Bonds finally having a good day, up 31. Go and look at any of the transcript from Jeff Conlop with Double Line Capital's meeting last night, his presentation. It's free. On Simpler Stocks, we go all the time and find some free sites to make things easy for people. But basically talking about bond market, it's time to buy dips in it, not, that it's gotten a little overdone on the downside. Like I said, industrials down 54, SPX down all of 3 points. Transports down 65. I mean, talking about a massive move, it's about time they had a little bit of a sell-off. Yeah, gold up all of 30 cents, crude oil down just a bit. Dollar up a bit, continuing its rally in here. Yeah, the advanced declines positive by about 164 right here. Really not much of anything in here today. Yeah, the VIX on the close had a tiny bit of a spike. Yeah, the Nikkei in here down just a bit. The put call ratio uptick a bit to 0.68, still pretty low. One thing I want to mention, we go over sentiment indexes all the time. The Investors Sentiment Index comes out tomorrow morning. I'm dying to see what it is. If you want to know, it's just AAII.com. It's another one of those free sites, and I love those type of sites. So the other thing I want to tell you in here, where do we go from here? Number one, I put the headline about the shippers in here. Last week, I showed that some of the shippers look pretty good. When I say pretty good, I don't think they're going to go from 4 to 116. This got up to 116 and stopped trading. Dying to see what it does tomorrow. But these were the type of stocks I posted on the video before it happened. I posted this at $3. Went to $8 today. And we went through the whole list of the shippers. And some people made a lot of money in it, let me just tell you. But I try to show whatever's busy, I try to show it. We also showed some of the bank stocks that buck the trend today, that if Trump changes his opinion of what 8 years did of bailing out certain financial institutions, you could get some massive moves in certain stocks that already some people have made 10% on their money in 2 days. Those are things you can find on the Simpler Stocks premium side. What does that include in there? It includes the chat room. Right now we have the $7 30-day trial for the silver, not for the gold room. The chat room is from 9 to 10 in the morning. You got a premium video, a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now. You got a forum, which has become hugely popular. More than 60% of our entire subscriber base was on it today. That's pretty darn big. The forum is a message board type way to communicate with other subscribers or with me. I'll ask a question or we'll share ideas. Yet the email alerts I'm very proud of in here. This includes stock trades and chart ideas. I have at least 6 stock trades a day, 6 index and futures charts a day. There's people, a number of people on our site that don't even trade stocks. They say our futures charts are better than anything on the web right now. Very proud of that. And unusual option activity. We haven't had much that's that funky that's worked the last couple of days. That's why I haven't posted any. I am not going to post 1,000 ideas and then if one hits, brag about it. There's no way you're going to act on 1,000 ideas. What I try to post seems to work in the long run, but I try to combine it with a lot of other factors, and I'm very picky. The other thing I wanted to mention in here was the gold side of our site. This has become huge. I can't believe how huge it's become so quickly. Basically, instead of just the morning chat, you get 3 more hours of me Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the last hour. We made more money in that last hour or on the opening the following morning by taking the preparation or what we've set up the night before. The other thing this includes, and this is this week, the third Friday of every month, the normal expiration, I do a 3-hour live trading class from 1 to 4 Eastern. Trade the close. The whole idea about that, I was on the SIBO for 8 years, and I was in the top 5 out of 800 day traders for 9 straight years after I was on the SIBO. I like short-term trading. I show a lot of long ideas on our normal site. And just to ask everyone, I posted 50 long ideas 2 days before the election. Those have been the swing trades. But for the short-term thing, this is my bread and butter in here. You get a 3-hour live trading class every month with your subscription. We're thinking of charging $99 to $299 just for that. You get that with your gold subscription. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Love talking to you. Looking forward to talking to you again tomorrow night. Have a great one.